Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is December 4th when I'm recording this, and this is your free video. And yeah, so I just want to show you guys this. Market just closed. I just took a screenshot. This is now 80% account growth in 4 months. And the reason I'm showing you this is because it's basically 2020 all over again. Okay, the market is doing very well. We're seeing Bitcoin, we're seeing the small caps, all this stuff is doing exceptionally well. And we're having a good time with it. And I want to show you guys what kind of performance we are getting in the Moxie room. This is just stock only, not even options, not even zero DTE, nothing like that, just stock. So with that, we are tomorrow, Thursday, I'm going to be doing a kind of like, Moxie method, zero DTE growth stocks for 2025. I'm going to be showing you guys all of this. We're going to be having kind of an update webinar. It's going to be talking about 2025, the small caps coming out of hibernation, kind of where I see things going, update on zero DTE, and update on the account and the trades that we've been taking. So come on over, guys. I want to make sure you can see this, and also that you're being aggressive with the market, because boy, it's letting us. And here we are. The market just keeps kind of tearing on up. What I will say is we've had a little bit of a rotation underneath the surface. So for as much as the S&P is going up like this, the internals and underneath the surface is looking a little bit weird. Right now, it's basically the small caps and probably Bitcoin that's helping the market go up because you can see order flow has actually not been that great for the last 2 days. And then we've had the rest of it doing okay. The advanced decline it's okay. You can see the last couple days it was down, but now it's back up. So it's like, well, what's going on here? One of those ways to look at this is if we come over and we look at breadth. So here is I get the lines. Here is the 20-day SMA breadth. Notice it continues to go down over the last few days, even though the market's going up. And you'll also notice that it topped out at 80%. Okay, we're also seeing the 50-day breadth kind of take a little bit of a breather. So, and this is something I've been talking to the Moxie subscribers about and seeing this kind of thing. And as I said, what's happening is we're getting a rotation into the mega caps. The way we can see this is if you look at the RSP, which is the equal weight for the S&P, you can see that it continues to be down. So it keeps pulling back even though the market's going up. So what's happening? Well, basically leading up into Thanksgiving, the market, the small caps, the rest of the market was doing great and all that. But now it's gotten a little bit overbought. And so what they're doing is they're taking their profits from the small caps and they're rolling it into the mega caps, and we're starting to get that rotation. So you can see that with the RSP, you can see that with the IWM, you can see it's still kind of down, not doing too much. Not bad, but just not going up. But then if you look at the FNGU, which is the leveraged ETF of the FANG stocks, boom, there's your activity. Okay, that makes sense. And you can see here that FNGU has actually been going sideways for the last few weeks, kind of just consolidating, building time, right? While the other crazy stocks were going off and doing their thing, and now they're rotating back into it, and you can clearly see strength in this sector. So that's what's happening right there. Case in point, let me show you Toast. This is a really good example of what's happening. We have been in this name all the way back here around $29. We took some profits here at 40%, and we took even more profits here at 52%. And you can see why we got out. There's your Moxie price trigger on the hourly chart, and boom, down it comes. So that's kind of the idea. There have been some really pretty crazy moves out there, and yeah, the smart money is like, yeah, we're gonna take our money from there and we're gonna move it elsewhere. And they're moving it into the mega caps, FANG stocks, all that kind of stuff. Tesla, some stuff like that. But then you can also see Bitcoin is doing well. It took a little bit of a breather. Let me kind of back this out for you here. Oops. Let's see, too many screens here. There we go. So you can see here we had a little bit of a dip. Basically, that was all the dip that we got, and then it went sideways, and now we're popping up. I'm hearing rumors, I need to check this, but I think, did Trump just didn't, I don't know, elect or point out a crypto czar? So that might have been the news that got things going today. But it was just a matter of time until Bitcoin was going to break over 100,000. It got there, it pulled back, it flagged, it's going to go. And so that's what we're seeing. And so we're also seeing a lot of strength in Bitcoin related stuff like Coin and Wolf and Irene and Mara and all those names, all the Bitcoin miner stuff. Those things are going too. So yeah, I don't know how far this market's going to go before we finally get a pullback. But I just wanted to show you guys today that we're definitely getting a clear rotation. We're getting stuff coming out of the small caps. They're going into the mega caps. Totally fine. Market's doing well. And what I'd like to see is if we can get the semiconductors on board, this is kind of what I'm looking at here. I think that the semiconductors right here are going to start going. And this, if you look at the Moxie indicator, here is price over the daily 50. The Moxie indicator is below zero. That's an inverse trampoline move. It basically said the market was not ready to go there. But now I'm looking at this price down, Moxie indicator up, and there's your price trigger. I think this is now saying that the semiconductors are getting on board, back into the swing of things. That would be great to see if this also joins. That would help some of the rotation. That would help the market continue to go up and keep things sustainable. So keep trading. We have a ton of names. We're trading so many names right now. It's a little ridiculous, but it's like 2020 vibes all over again. We'll have to see how long this goes. Of course, there will be pullbacks along the way. I welcome them. But right now, we're just experiencing a rotation. And guys, just remember, we got tomorrow, Thursday at 3:30 p.m. Central, going to be doing a market overview, review 2025, everything that we've been doing, and how I've made 80% on an account in 4 months. So come on in. It'll be fun. Hope you guys are doing well with this market. All right, guys. See you later.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.